Morning, guys. Welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. I've got my morning coffee here. Let's get into my dividend portfolio. Stick around. All right, guys. Welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. I hope you're all doing well. I've got my morning coffee here. It's just after 11 o'clock in the morning on Monday. I hope you all had a great weekend and chilled out, obviously. And there's been some pretty cool things that happened over the weekend as well. Obviously, with my dividend portfolio, and this is an update, guys. So pretty exciting stuff. I've received a pretty substantial dividend, which I'll get into in a moment. But my portfolio is currently sitting at $15,079.99, which is awesome, guys. Really happy about that. It's a milestone. It's well over 20,000 Australian dollars, finally. And looking to grow this portfolio even more. So on the day, I finished up on Friday down $185 USD, which is fine. And in total, I'm up across my entire portfolio $2,724.51, which is a total of 22%. That is incredible, guys. Really awesome to see. Mainly greens, obviously, but it's a mixed bag at the moment with my portfolio, as probably with you guys as well. One thing I wanted to get into is one of these companies which I was invested in, obviously on the downturn there during this crazy year, and that is ticker symbol XOM. This is Exxon Mobil, guys. I obviously understand that there's a huge thing going on with Exxon Mobil and fossil fuels, guys, but Exxon Mobil, I mean, is a great dividend payer, and I hope they don't cut that dividend because it would be devastating. But I received a fairly significant dividend from these guys. So I've currently got 40.51 shares of Exxon Mobil, ticker symbol XOM. These guys are a quarterly payer as well, so they do pay by the quarter, which, I mean, it's 4 times a year. But when you do get those dividends coming in, it's fairly significant. And what can I say, guys? So I'll put up my dividends at the end, but I did receive a dividend on Friday, the 11th of December, of $31.95, which is unbelievable, guys. That's based on 40 shares. So for those of you who've got 600 to 1,000 shares, that's an incredible quarterly payment for you guys. So but I'm sitting at 40 shares, and I did receive a dividend of $31.95. That was taxed $4.79, which is annoying, but what do you do? That's 15%. So it did allow me to reinvest that dividend, and I did use that dividend and reinvest that into Exxon Mobil, which in turn increased my dividends and my position to now 40 shares of Exxon Mobil, which is great. So overall, guys, I did receive some dividends. December is a big dividend month for me with my current holdings as well. I did go over my dividends early December, but some of these have now come in, which I'll go over them now. So we'll start at the 8th of December. So I received a dividend of 2 cents from TLT, ticker symbol TLT. The next one was Johnson & Johnson. Everyone knows who they are, ticker symbol JNJ, of 31 cents. Another dividend from AGNC, which is a monthly dividend payer, actually, guys. So risky stock, but check that out. I received a dividend of $1.54. The next one is VLO, which was 12 cents. I received a dividend from CVX of 45 cents. EMR Properties, I believe this is, of 8 cents here. IBM, this is a great dividend payer as well. They've got a really high dividend yield, but just be wary of this. I'm not sure what's going on with these guys. I'll have to look into IBM more, but a dividend of 16 cents. NSC of 17 cents, guys, and obviously Exxon Mobil on the 11th of December of $31.95, but that was taxed 15%, which is annoying. And the next one was TGT, which is Target of 6 cents. So overall, guys, it's been a pretty great month with dividends. December is a great month to have dividends, actually. So what I'm working on now is January and February, because they're around the lowest dividend months for my portfolio, and I'd really love to get them up to that, $90 a month, which is a goal. Ideally, it'd be good to get, $100 a month every single month for the entire year in dividends. That's going to take some significant investment here, but it is doable and achievable. The other thing I was going to mention as well, guys, with regards to growth stocks as well, ticker symbol SPCE, which is the Virgin Galactic stock. They did do a test flight on the weekend as well, which did fail. They were able to land that spacecraft, which is pretty cool. And everything is safe with those guys, but I am a big believer in SPCE, which is a growth stock. They don't pay dividends. I've got 50 shares of them now, and obviously with this test flight that's failed, they're going to be redoing it again, and hopefully they do get into space, because once this happens, this stock will go through the roof as well. The other one is obviously Tesla. I've got 4 shares of Tesla. Very expensive stock to hold. Currently sitting at $609 USD, which is down. I'm down 2% on this stock. But you know, coming with regards to them being added to the S&P 500, I believe they're taking over some sort of an insurance company or something like that, with home and contents or something like that. So they'll be replacing this company in the S&P 500, which is cool. But I believe the stock price is going to skyrocket once that happens on the 21st of December. So hopefully I'll get a few more shares of Tesla before that happens. I guess you can call it FOMO, fear of missing out, but it is what it is. I think it's a great company anyway. It's good to hold for long-term investment, guys. And I did make some purchases, by the way, and I'll get into that next. All right, guys, so into these purchases that I've made in my portfolio. Couple of dividend stocks, guys, which I've wanted to add more shares of in the portfolio, as I believe that, you know, you should just increase what you have. Just needed a coffee then. All right, so I did make some purchases on the 9th of December, and I'll get into those. So the first one was HRL, ticker symbol HRL, which is Hormel Foods, guys. These are consumer staples. You know, it's one of these companies that essentially is going to be providing a service for a very long time, and it's not going to be affected too much by the current situation in around the world. So this is ticker symbol HRL, guys. I purchased $10 in USD into this company, which got me, and I'll put this up now once it loads, it got me 0.21 fractions of a share. So I added this new holding into my portfolio, guys, and I believe HRL is a good company as well. All right, so let's move on to the next one. AbbVie. Everyone knows AbbVie, guys. Ticker symbol ABBV. These guys deal in pharmaceuticals, so there's a lot going on in the world with pharmaceuticals and medications. AbbVie is also a very good quarterly dividend payer as well. I purchased $34.96 of AbbVie as well. That got me 0.3206 fractions of a share, which is great. So that increased my dividends as well. So that's ticker symbol ABBV. Excuse me, guys. I then purchased more of Exxon Mobil as well, guys. Ticker symbol XOM. I purchased $34.96. That got me 0.8166 fractions of a share, which increased my holdings as well. And these are a quarterly dividend payer as well. The next one is AT&T, ticker symbol T. Obviously with 5G coming on next year, it's just going to be a good position to hold with AT&T. So that got me in 1.0 shares of 0.2 shares, sorry, of AT&T, ticker symbol T. That is great. The next one is American Express, guys, AXP. Yes, they're a finance company, but they are a good quarterly payer as well. Ticker symbol AXP. The next one is STAG, ticker symbol STAG. These guys are warehouse predominantly. It's like a REIT for warehouses, pretty much like a real estate investment trust for warehouses. I think this is a good one to hold as well because A, they're a monthly payer, which is great. B, I think there's a lot of change that's happened in the last 12 months with everything going online. People need warehouses to stock products and storage, basically. So STAG is a great one to hold as well. So that's ticker symbol STAG for a monthly payer. I purchased $31 there, and that got me just over one share of STAG, which is great. My favorite one is SPHD, guys, ticker symbol SPHD. This is a monthly paying ETF, sorry, and this tracks the top 50 companies that pay dividends, which is good. I purchased another share of SPHD as well, guys. So this one, these are the the purchases on the 9th of December. Now, if we scroll up, guys, to obviously reinvesting those dividends from Exxon Mobil's huge dividend this month, I did reinvest that and I purchased $29.35 of another share of XOM as well. And an interesting one is Starbucks, guys, ticker symbol SPUX. Their stock price has increased as well, guys, which is a great. I started investing in Starbucks earlier, probably this year, and it's a consumer staple. So I mean, everyone eats coffee, and I wish they were a bit bigger in Australia, but everyone loves their homegrown Australian coffee here. But Starbucks is a good one as well. So I purchased $36 of that, and that got me 0.3556 fractions of a share, which is good. The next one again is AT&T. Really wanting to invest in AT&T just because the price is great. I invested $32 there, and that got me one share of AT&T. Next one again, I bought some more Exxon Mobil at $90 there, so I did increase my position there in Exxon Mobil. That got me an additional, after obviously doing that reinvesting dividends there, that got me another 2 shares of Exxon Mobil. And again, SPHD, guys, which is the ETF there that tracks the top 50 paying dividend stocks in the S&P 500. So guys, these are my purchases, which is incredible. And I'll put up my portfolio next, and obviously my dividend tracker, and you'll see the upcoming dividends this month, the remainder of them anyway, which is, there's quite a few of them, so it's pretty cool. And I'll be looking forward to reinvest those dividends as well. So stick around for that. And any other dividend stocks that you think are pretty cool, guys, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to see them and do some research on it as well. And guys, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, because it really helps the algorithm, and this channel is growing quite quickly, which is awesome. So thank you very much. Stick around for my portfolio screenshot and the dividend tracker. All right, cheers. All right, guys, welcome back to my stake portfolio. You can see once it loads here, guys, that it's sitting at $15,079.99, which is awesome. On the day, I'm down $185.32. That was as of last week. And in total, I'm up $2,724.51. That's 22.05%, which is awesome. There are some companies here in the red, guys, but the majority of them are, a mixed bag as of Friday last week. Hopefully with this announcement of the Rona vaccine, these things will all go up in the green when things settle down. So we'll go to my activity and reports, guys, and you can see here the dividends there, my purchases in SPHD, Exxon Mobil, AT&T, Starbucks, and Exxon Mobil again. And the dividends here, and the one I'm looking at now is that dividend from Exxon Mobil of $31.95, which is awesome. That's based on 36 shares. So again, coming up in the next dividend payment there from Exxon Mobil, I've got now 40 shares, so that is going to increase as well. So that's awesome, guys. You can see the dividends that I was paid as well here, which is great, and the purchases that I made on the 9th of December. All right, guys, so that is my portfolio, and I'll put up my dividend tracker so you guys can see that now. So stick around. All right, guys, welcome back to my dividend tracker. You can see here once it loads, and it's taking its time. There we go. Sitting at $711.67. That's my annual so far of dividend income, which is awesome to see. Monthly $59.31. $1.95 a day, and the average yield is at 4.33%. Now here's my dividends that I'm receiving here. AMCR 17 cents, ERF at 5 cents, K at 21 cents, Key Property, I think that's Key Properties, at 15 cents, Coca-Cola at 9 cents, Main Street Capital of $1.65, MCD, which is McDonald's, at 8 cents, O Realty at $5.22, which is cool, PBA, which is $1.13, and Stag at $1.61. And my top 3 payers are Exxon Mobil at $187.14, SPHD at $116.13, and Prospect Capital at $99 a year. 71% of my goal has been reached, guys, which is awesome to see. And 27% is from energy minerals companies, which has changed from the financials, which is, I'm not sure if that's good or bad at the moment. But anyway, I'm yet to receive $21.87 in dividends. So you go to my portfolio here, and this says $19,971, but currency exchange always changes anyway. Sitting at $3,500 in total returns, and there's my portfolio break up there. And here are the companies as well, guys, so you can check if a dividend's been suspended or not, or reduced. So check that out. And we'll go to monthly income here. I've received $72 in dividends this month, and total $22 yet to receive. And you can see here January and February are my lowest months as well. March is going to be another big one at $96. That's because of XOM Mobil. And yeah, guys, really cool to see, and it's really good to visually see what's coming in every single month, guys, and it's really cool to add that and build that. So that's what I'm wanting to do. So it's a really good app to keep track of that, guys. And you can see an average of $60.66 as well. So that's it, guys. Thanks for sticking around, and make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, really want to hear how you guys are going in your dividend portfolio as well. So make sure you like the video and leave a comment below. All right, take care, stay safe. Cheers, bye.